Hello everyone, my name is Lucinda Hanover. We're making this video for you as a jumpstart into the Global Unity Gathering in December. We welcome all of our friends who we know are going to be there, and we welcome new friends who I know will be coming and to the event in December. The theme is living a quantum life. And those of us on the design team have been totally engaged in everything that Ma's putting out about the quantum world and quantum life, the quantum realm, and asking ourselves, what really does quantum mean? How do I know I'm living a quantum life? How can I increase the chances of being in a quantum world? And what does that mean to me about my own experience of life being in a quantum world? You know, I hear Her Holiness Saima speaking about imagining a quantum body, imagining a quantum world. So what is that?